So in this video, I want to talk about how can you read compass on your Android phone. Let's get started with that. So naturally, you can go to your apps section like that, and you can look up whether or not you have the Compass app installed. In my case, you can see it is right here, but it's not a built-in, and instead it was downloaded from the Google Play Store, right? So you can see that it works for me, and I can already see all of the things which I'm interested in. I can also check out the magnetic field strength, which indicates that I'm actually using the magnetic sensors, right? So you can see the situation of the status right there. And it is important because some phones do not even have the magnetic sensor built in. And in order to check it out, right, what you can do is to get an app from the Play Store called Sensor Box. Like there are more apps with the same purpose, but when you get inside of this app, it allows you to scan or test multiple different sensors of your phone, right? And the magnetic sensor is what's being used for the compass. So we can get inside in here and see in real time how well it works. So you can see that it does work for me. In which case, if you want to start using the compass, you can literally just get the compass app from the Play Store, something like that, and it's gonna work fine. So that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the future videos.